Today we're going to answer the question, when I add SharePoint to a Copilot agent, can it see everything? And the answer is, it depends on who you are. Copilot uses user context, so it respects the existing permissions. But that means Copilot is only as secure as your current permissions are. So let's take a look at how this works. You can see that I've set up a demo site here. It's a SharePoint site and a team. There are two folders. One is the private folder, which is restricted using the traditional SharePoint permissions. I'm the only one that can see anything in this folder. If we look in there, there is an HR personnel document. If we back out the team data folder, everybody in the site can see this, right? If I click inside of this, there is a budget breakdown file. I don't know if we really want to have a budget breakdown file for everybody to see, right? But however, if we look over on the right, you see there's a sensitivity label that is called confidential data. Now that's a label that I defined, and I've restricted it down to just myself and anyone else in this group, right? So that's an additional layer of protection on that file in a folder that everyone can see. So let's see how Copilot handles this. Okay, so I've published the Copilot agent, which has access to the data. If you can see on the left, that is my account in dark mode, which does have access to the data. And on the right is the test user account. So we're going to try this side by side and see how this works. So let's say, show me the HR personnel. Okay, there we go. So it came up as expected. Let's try it on the test user. Okay, it thinks I'm trying to escalate to a representative. It doesn't know what I'm asking for, so it is not getting the data. Now let's try the sensitivity label and see how it handles that. Show me the budget. All right, we see the budget. That is great. Let's see how our test user handles it. And again, it cannot find that data. So in this instance, this user actually does have access from SharePoint, but it's getting blocked at the sensitivity label level there. And if you look on the left at this little number 1, you see the reference to the file itself, and it says confidential data. So you can see the tag right there. Okay, so this is all very cool. Sensitivity labels can add an extra layer of security right there at the file level. But if you don't know what's in your SharePoint, step 1 before connecting to Copilot is auditing that data so you know exactly what to lock down. Thank you.